process the current caliper seals at 260 for 4 hours, along with a new DBA Frenkit seals. Then we'll continue to elevate the DBA Frenkit seals to 300 for another 2 hours, and then finally we'll take the Frenkit seals up to 330 for a final 2 hours. After processing, we've come back to some results here. As expected, the Frenkit seals, they are completely pliable still. There's almost no noticeable difference at any of the temperature ranges. These ones here are the 260 for 4 hours, and they are still perfectly good. The sealing surfaces are all pliable. The rest of it is still stiff, very much usable. Now the EPDM seal, visually, it's starting to look a little bit washed out in color, but physically, it's crumbled. There's no spring, it is completely done. Any shocks, any movement, any vibration, and that will not be sealed anymore. We did decide to add an EPDM, so this is 300 for 2 hours, and this one, you can see cracks that go all the way across the sealing surfaces and would be not sealing anymore. And again, there's no spring, there's no return. These are pretty much unusable at this point. The Frenkit seals, still very good. You can twist them, they spring back. The DBA Frenkit seals running all the way up to 330 degrees, still feel exactly the same way they did before. There's no real noticeable difference. Vibrate these, you can bump them around, you can unseat and reseat, and they're still going to be operating.